How to trade the GBPUSD pair on September 29. Simple tips and trade analysis for beginners. Back trading plan. How to trade the GBPUSD pair on September 29. Simple tips and trade analysis for beginners. Friday trade review: 1H chart of GBPUSD. The premium article will be available in 000029.09.2025 AM. The premium article will be available in 000029.09.2025 AM. Friday trade review: 1H chart of GBPUSD. On Friday, the GBPUSD pair began an upward move, and by Monday night, it had already broken through the local descending trend line. Thus, the bearish trend has been cancelled. Recall that over the past week and a half, the pound sterling was caught in a vortex of negative developments, which triggered its decline, a scenario many traders did not expect. However, the global fundamental backdrop for GBPUSD remains unchanged, and fresh articles are available only to premium users. Read analytics in early access. Getting information first. Get best MetaTrader indicators. Profitable expert advisors.